Question number 3. Taking the set of all natural numbers as a universal set, write the complement of the following. So what have they given? Set of all natural numbers. So your numbers start from 1. You do not have any negative numbers. You do not have any integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. You only have natural numbers. Okay. So now, first subsection, A equals, I'm going to name the set as A. So I have X is an even natural number. So what is my even natural number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. So my A dash is going to be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. How can I write this in the set builder form? I can write it as X such that X is an odd natural number. Correct? Even number to complement n, it is going to be an odd number. So odd natural number. Okay. Second subsection, I have X is an odd natural number. So I'm going to take the set B to be odd natural number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So my B dash is going to be even numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Correct? Universal set Ni, it is going to be all natural numbers. You have to understand. So universal set is going to be all natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. So what is my B dash? B dash is going to be X such that X is an even natural number. So what do you conclude from your first two subsections? I see that A dash is equal to B and B dash is equal to A. Correct? B is your odd natural number which is given in the question and A is your even natural number which is given in the question. Okay. Third subsection, X is a positive multiple of 3. So I have C equals X is a positive multiple of 3. So it is going to be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. So what is going to be my C dash? It is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11 and so on. So how can you write this in your set builder form? C dash is going to be X such that what is given here? X is a positive multiple of 3. So I am going to write X is not a positive multiple of 3. So X is not a positive multiple of 3. Okay. This is the only way of writing. When it is given X is a positive multiple of 3, you write X is not a positive multiple of 3. Okay. Very, very simple. Complement. Fourth subsection, 5, X is a prime number. Okay. So I have D equals prime number and 4 varadu. I have 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Correct? So this is going to be my prime number. So D dash is going to be 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So how do you write D dash? D dash is going to be X such that. So when you're given X is a prime number, what is the complement? X is a composite number. But what do you see here? I have 1 here. You should know that 1 is neither prime nor composite. Correct? 1 is neither prime nor composite. So when you write X is a composite number, it does not include 1. Appo 1 number set builder form la eppadi include panna porom? X is a composite number or X is equal to 1. Why am I writing or and not and? In the edathila and ezhudala nanu. I should not write and, because when you are talking about or, you are talking about union, which means it includes all the composite numbers, also the number 1, including the number 1. So you have to write or. And X is a composite number and X is equal to 1, you will have a null set. It will give you a null set. When you write X is a composite number and X is equal to 1, you will get a null set because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 1 and composite number is common. Okay? As simple as that. Clear? Tirumba rewind pani parunga video. X is a composite number or X is equal to 1 because we are dealing with union. Okay, so this is how you write D dash. Fifth subsection, X is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. So, E equals x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on, comma 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. So E dash is going to be all the other numbers. So 1, 2, 3 varadu, 4, 5 varadu, then 6, 7, 8 and so on. So E dash is going to be, how do you simply write this? Very simple way. X is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. You write x is a natural number not divisible by 3 and 5. Okay, very simple. So you have x such that x is a natural number not divisible by 3 and 5. Okay, fine. Sixth subsection, x is a perfect square. I'll do it in the next page. Sixth subsection, x is a perfect square. I can write all these numbers. So f is going to be, perfect squares are going to be 4. I can also write 1. 1 is a perfect square, correct? 1, 4, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 and so on. So my f dash is going to be all the other numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and so on. What do you mean by perfect square? 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So what are all my perfect square numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. How do you write this in set builder form? F dash is, x is a perfect square, na the negation, the complement is going to be x such that x is not a perfect square. Okay, as simple as that. 7th subsection, x is a perfect cube. What is the complement going to be? I'll write g equals perfect cube na 1 cube, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 16 4s are 64 and so on. So I have g dash is equal to all the other numbers. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 varadu, 9, 10 and so on. So g dash is going to be x such that x is not a perfect cube. Okay, that is the complement. X is not a perfect cube. 8th subsection, x such that x plus 5 equals 8. So I have GH. X such that x plus 5 equals 8. Appa x oda value enna? H equals x plus 5 equals 8 na x enadhu? X is going to be 8 minus 5 which is 3. So H is going to be simply the element 3. So H dash is going to be all the others. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 and so on until infinity. So how can you write this? What is your H? X plus 5 equals 8. So x is equal to 3. So I can write my H dash is x such that x belongs to natural number and x is not equal to 3. So in that I am going to write 3. X is a natural number and x is not equal to 3. So for example, if this is set A with all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on until infinity, and this is set B where I do not have the element 3. I have everything else 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 and so on. What is the intersection of these two? I see that only the number 3 is not there. So A intersection B is going to be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, which is equal to H dash. You see that? So in that I need to write and because we are talking about the intersection. You understand? Previous examples we were dealing with union or potoma. That is because you have to have or condition. In that and condition. It belongs to a natural number and it is definitely not equal to 3. Okay, so this is how you write the condition. 9th subsection, x such that x greater than or equal to 7. H I equals x such that x greater than or equal to 7. So what are all the elements going to be? 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So what is my I dash? It is going to be the number still 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are going to be the only elements. So how can I write I dash? I dash is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number, comma, x less than or equal to 6. Or how can I write this? I can write this as x such that x belongs to natural number, comma, x less than 7. Okay, this is the simplest way of writing this. 9th முடிஞ்சது. Oh, I missed 9th. This is my 10th subsection. Please correct this. Now 9th subsection. I'll write it in the next page. 9th is going to be j equals x such that 2x plus 5 equals 9. So, this solve panna enna varum 2x plus 5 equals 9. 2x is equal to 9 minus 5, 4. X equals 2. So, my j is simply going to be the element 2. So, what is my j dash? J dash is going to be all the other elements except 2. So, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So, it is very similar to the previous question. Idhukku munadi nama solve pannom illaya 8th subsection. So, it is going to be like that. So, j dash is going to be x such that x belongs to natural number comma x is not equal to 2. Okay, very simple. Comma is also similar to and it is also similar to intersection. Okay, but when you are writing or, you have to write or. And there comma podakudadu. Now 10th subsection is over. 11th subsection, I have x such that x belongs to natural number and 2x plus 1 greater than 10. So I have j, a, b, c, d, f, g, h, i, j, k. Okay, a, b, c, d marandrum nanikra. X belongs to natural number and 2x plus 1 greater than 10. So I'm going to solve this. Correct? Correct. So I'm going to solve this. 2x plus 1 greater than 10. 2x greater than 10 minus 1. 2x greater than 9. X greater than 9 divided by 2. Which means x is greater than 4.5. But we are dealing with natural numbers. Appo numbers again start agum 5. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. So what is my k dash? It is going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Correct? So this is going to be my k dash. So how can I write this in set builder form? K dash is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number comma x less than or equal to 4. Okay, as simple as that. Please copy. Please copy these two pages also. Please take a screenshot of this. I'll wait for 1 second. Take a screenshot of this part 2 and this is part 3. Okay, இது வேற நான் டீடைலா போட்டுருக்கேன், ரொம்ப பெருசெல்லாம் கிடையாது. I have just explained it in detail. You can also write this in short form in your exam. Okay, moving on to 4th question. What is my 4th question? Universal set A, B கொடுத்திருக்கு. I have to verify my De Morgan's law. That is what is given here. So first A union B என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So first subsection A union B is going to be, I'm going to find the union of these two. So it is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8 union 2, 3, 5, 7. So the union of this is going to be all the elements without any repetition. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is my A union B. If A union B the whole dash and whatever is not in A union B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 எழுதக்கூடாது 9. So this is my A union B the whole dash. I'll mark this as 1. Now what is my A dash and B dash? I have to find my A dash and B dash. So I'll do that. A dash equals 2, 4, 6, 8 எழுதக்கூடாது. What is left? 1, 3, 5, 7. So this is my A dash. And what is my B dash? It is going to be 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, I missed 9 here. Please include the 9. Okay, so this is my A dash and this is my B dash. Ipo A dash intersection B dash. What are the common elements? I see that I have 1, 1, 9, 9. Nothing else is common. So what is it? 1, 9. So I see that 1 and 2 are equal. Okay, 1 equals 2, which means A union B the whole dash equals A dash intersection B dash. Hence proved. Okay, second subsection. A intersection B first கண்டுபிடிக்கிறேன். What is A intersection B? What are the common elements? I see that I have 2, 2, அப்புறம் 4, 6, 8, 3, 5, 7. Nothing else is common. Only 2 is common. So I have A intersection B is going to be 2. So A intersection B the whole dash is going to be all the other elements. 1, 2 கிடையாது. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why am I writing until 9? Because universal set la I have values till 9. Correct? So this is my A intersection B the whole dash. Now I have to do A dash union B dash. So what is my A dash union B dash? A dash union B dash is going to be A dash. What is it? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So I have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Union B dash and 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So I have 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So what is the union of this? I'm going to write all the elements without any repetition. So I have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is repeated twice. I'm not going to write it twice. So I see that this is my 3 and 4. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these two are equal. 3 equals 4, which means A intersection B, the whole dash is going to be intersection. I'll have union. A dash union B dash. Okay, please copy.